In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Notion templates. Whether you're new to Notion or looking to enhance your workspace organization, this guide will walk you through creating customizable templates that can streamline your productivity and keep your workflows efficient. So let's dive right in. To start, we're going to navigate over to Notion. Open your preferred web browser and type in Notion in the search bar. Once you're there, simply sign in to access your workspace. If you're new to Notion, you'll need to create an account first, but don't worry, it's straightforward and quick. Once you're inside, you'll find yourself on your Notion dashboard. Now, let's focus on creating a new page. From your dashboard, look to the left-hand side, where you can access pages. Click on Page or Create New Page to start. This page will serve as the foundation for your template. You'll want to give your page a specific name that describes the template's purpose. This can be anything from project planner to daily journal, depending on what you need. Next, we need to organize the content using headers. In the body of the new page you've just created, type in the command Y heading and you'll see options for different header styles appear. Click on the heading you prefer, perhaps starting with a heading 1 for main sections, and then you can insert title text for that section. Now, for a bit of interactivity, let's add some toggle lists. Again, in the body of your page, type on toggle. This command will bring up the option to create a toggle list, which allows you to hide and reveal content under clickable headings. Select the option when it appears, and you can add information that you may not need visible all the time, but want easy access to. It's an excellent way to keep your page clean and navigate through sections with ease. For more complex organization, you might want to split the page into columns. Simply type R column and you'll be offered options to create columns of your choice. Choose the number of columns you need. Columns can help you compare information side by side or categorize your notes in a visually structured way. Another useful element you might want to incorporate is a callout. Callouts can highlight important notes or warnings. Just type callout and click on the option to create a highlighted area that visually stands out on your page. Finally, to add structure to your information, consider using a table view. Typing or table view will allow you to insert a table where you can organize tasks, ideas, or data systematically. Once you click on table view, you will have a functional spreadsheet right on your page. Once your template is set up exactly the way you want, it's time to share it with your team or friends. You can do this by clicking on Share, found at the top right corner of your Notion window. This allows you to copy the link or adjust the sharing settings so others can view or even collaborate on your template. And there you have it. You've just created a Notion template that can be reused and adapted for a variety of projects. This is a great way to save time and keep your work organized. Thanks for watching and happy Notioning.